In May 2012, the world of print and media gathered in Germany for drupa 2012, the world's largest trade show for the commercial and corporate production printing markets. Taking place every 4 years, drupa 2012 welcomed 315,000 visitors from more than 130 countries, making it the largest global event for Ricoh to demonstrate its market-leading position and offering under the umbrella theme of print and beyond. At the same time, drupa was the first public showcase of Ricoh's new global brand campaign, Imagine Change, connecting Ricoh's belief that through the collective imagination of its employees, Ricoh is supporting print service providers to develop their business beyond print.
Our overall message here at drupa is to be able to work with our print service providers to help them transform into additional services beyond print, hopefully a higher margin, certainly high value content to their existing and hopefully future clients.
On the first day of drupa, Ricoh hosted the world's leading print and media journalists at a special media conference. More than 120 journalists heard about how Ricoh is encouraging print service providers to look beyond the impacts of future technology in their business and to also examine how technology is impacting the way their customers will work in the future. The visitor experience for drupa started well before the doors to the actual event opened, as through an integrated online and offline pre-drupa campaign, prospective visitors were given a flavor of what to expect from Ricoh. Once visitors and prospects arrived at drupa, they were greeted with an impressive advertising campaign, inviting them to the Ricoh stand, which covered 2,000 square meters over 2 floors. Visitors were welcomed by a highly impressive 100 square meter LED wall that showcased rich and visual content connected to the 12 dedicated zones of the stand. The LED wall acted as the gateway to the customer areas in the Ricoh Sports Bar, where prospective clients were hosted for individual meetings. At the heart of these 12 zones was the Ricoh Transformation Hub. The hub hosted a series of seminars from Ricoh, partners and industry-leading thinkers, including Ricoh's strategic partner Heidelberg, who shared with visitors ways to drive change and achieve positive results in their business. Very popular with the visitors were zones such as packaging, marketing and publishing, where visitors could get tangible demonstrations on how Ricoh's offering could bring new and sustainable value to their business. Daily business driver seminars demonstrating Ricoh's online platform with exclusive access to Ricoh consultancy and industry insight proved popular with existing and prospective customers. Whether it was continuous form, cut sheet or wide format, Ricoh and industry experts were on hand to demonstrate the latest innovative technologies and print applications. Future trends and applications were showcased in the dedicated Ricoh Innovation Zone, with technologies such as clickable paper and 3D printing attracting positive interest from the visitors and media on site. The impact and opportunities that drupa offers goes well beyond the chance to meet new and prospective clients, as thousands of new leads and contacts were established, and the number of agreed sales during the 14 days exceeded beyond expectations.
The one thing that I'd like visitors to our stand here at drupa 2012 to remember is that Ricoh is the right partner for them in the future. Whether they're a print service provider today, whether they've already begun the journey to become perhaps a communication service provider, already a marketing service provider, and whether they're developing their business in that area or taking the first steps in that transformation, I'd like them to think that Ricoh is the partner of choice that will work with them and support them into the future.
Ricoh's approach to long-term partnerships, services and business values were just some of the reasons given for printing companies placing new orders with Ricoh during drupa 2012. drupa 2012 confirmed that increasingly print service providers are turning to Ricoh for innovative technologies to help them imagine change and discover new ways to transform their business to print and beyond. Ricoh. Imagine change.